For many days Robinson Crusoe saw nobody, but one evening he saw about a dozen of men. He saw a dozen of men in his island. They were pirates from another land. They were pirates from another land. The pirates left the island after a few days. Now after a few days what happened? The pirates themselves, they left the island. Robinson Crusoe felt safe. He was feeling safe because the pirates went. They were not in his island. Robinson Crusoe felt safe, but he knew the pirates would come back. He was knowing that the pirates will come back to his island for thief, for getting something from the island, because they were also knowing that the Robinson Crusoe is present in the island. Okay? One morning, Robinson Crusoe saw the wreck of a ship. What happened one morning? Robinson Crusoe saw a wrecked ship in his island. A wrecked ship. One morning, Robinson saw the wreck of a ship. He ran to it and saw that it was a Spanish ship, and in it was a survivor. So he ran and he saw that the ship was Spanish, and he saw that in that there was a survivor. There was a man who was surviving. Okay, a middle-aged man who was surviving in that boat, in that wrecked ship. Okay. Robinson Crusoe took the man to his hut. What did the Robinson Crusoe did? He took the man in his hut, in his house, gave him some food and water. What he did, he gave him some food and water to eat and drink. Once the man recovered, he helped Robinson Crusoe with his work. So, the man, when he recovered, which man? The Spanish ship man who was rescued by Robinson Crusoe, that man. Okay. Once the man recovered, he helped Robinson Crusoe with his work. What he helped? He helped Robinson Crusoe with his work. Robinson named the man Friday, as he has been rescued on a Friday. We all know that Friday is a day, है ना? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So he named that man to whom Robinson Crusoe rescued as Friday. Friday did not know English. Now Friday was not knowing English. But as time went by, he learned a few words. As the time flew away, he learned a few words of English. Enough for basic communication. For the basic communication, he learned a few words. Okay? One morning, Robinson Crusoe found Friday missing. What happened one morning? Robinson Crusoe found Friday was missing. He cannot find anywhere Friday. Okay? Friday was the man to whom Robinson Crusoe rescued. Okay? He suspected that the pirates were back and had captured him. Now what happened? He suspected who? Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe suspected that the pirates were back. The pirates were there in the island and had captured him. Captured whom? Captured Friday. Okay? Who have captured Friday? The pirates. We have learned before this that pirates came in the island and then he went again back, but they didn't. They were hiding in the island only. He went in search of Friday and found him just as the pirates were about to throw him into the sea. Now what happened? He went in search of Friday. Who went? Robinson Crusoe went in search of Friday. He was searching everywhere. Where is Friday? Where is Friday? And found him just as the pirates were about to throw him into the sea. So he found him when the pirates were throwing the Friday into the sea. They were throwing him into the sea. Okay. He rushed into there. He rushed where? He rushed into their midst, fighting them with his weapons and rescued Friday. He was fighting them with his weapons and rescued Friday. Who rescued Friday? Robinson Crusoe. Okay? Robinson Crusoe and Friday found the ship of the pirates. They found the ship of the pirates in the island. They decided to sail back to Brazil. Now where Robinson had left his business. Now we all know, we all have learned it before that Robinson was working in Brazil. He was a farmer. So Robinson left his business. They carried enough food. Who? Robinson and Friday. They carried enough food and water and set sail for Brazil. They set to sail for Brazil. Robinson Crusoe had spent 35 years on the island. Robinson Crusoe has spent how many years? 35 years in the island. Robinson and Friday reached Brazil. What happened? They both reached Brazil. Robinson Crusoe got several £1,000 from the trustees of his estates. What happened? Robinson Crusoe got several £1,000. He got money. Pounds means money. He got money from the trustees of his estate. From his estate, he got money because he has discovered an island. Friday remained with Robinson Crusoe, helping him in his estate. So Friday was rescued by Robinson Crusoe, and Friday remained with Robinson Crusoe in Brazil and helping him in his estate. Okay, clear to everyone? Courage makes the impossible possible. Robinson Crusoe had enough courage to fight with the pirates and to survive 35 years in the island where no one was living.